What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mia, and of course this channel is DoIttMiaaaa. So you know, no, I'm just playing. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing. I think I'm really just nervous.
My swag on stupid. Come catch a glimpse, you'll see how we do it. Yeah, you see how we do it. Come catch a glimpse, you will see how we do it.
My swag on stupid, I stay on dumb.
You know, we done came a long way from 3 subscribers. I'm like now at, what am I at? I'm gonna see. Because I want to be very accurate when I say this. Okay, I just hit 438 subscribers. So welcome to the family. Thank you for subscribing to this YouTube channel. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself, just so you get a little bit more familiar with me and you know where I want to go with my YouTube channel. Okay, I have them all written down. The first question is, what's my dream job? My dream job is to work for myself. I would like to be a well-known influencer. That's the goal with YouTube. Ultimately, I would like to be a well-known name, maybe even a household name. Ultimately, I do want to open some businesses and stuff like that, but right now I feel like I'm just building my credibility and I'm just kind of putting myself out there right now before I start those different business ventures. I hope that answers that question. Okay, what is my favorite food? Like, this is a hard question because I love so much different stuff. What's my favorite food? I really don't have a favorite food. Do I have a favorite? Like, what can I eat all the time without not getting tired of it? This is a hard question. I never really... What's my favorite food? Mia, what's your favorite food? Why salad keep coming to my mind? Because I love salads, but I feel like I can't eat a salad every day and just be okay with that. Can we come back to this question? I don't know. I don't really have a favorite food. I like so much different stuff, so that's kind of hard. Okay, my favorite place to visit. Home. I love going to California. I love going to visit my family out there. I love going to see my brother, my nieces, and my nephews. And a lot of the people that I grew up with. Shout out to the town because you know, yeah, it's the long way over there. Nah, but next question. Fave item you bought this year? Y'all know the answer to that. Of course, it's my MCM bag. I will leave the video link right there. Or over here. One of the two. But yeah, go ahead and check out that video if you haven't seen it already. And another question, worst job you ever had? I done had a lot of jobs. What's the worst? Worst job I ever had. I don't know. Like, I really make the best of all my jobs. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I really want to turn this around, like, into what's the best job I ever had, kind of. But I don't really have a worst job. I mean, okay. Ooh, I used to work at Empire Pizza and Pub in Tucson, Arizona. Is that what it's called? I think that's what it's called. I used to work there. It's downtown. I used to work there, and I did not like it simply because the people there, they just weren't super welcoming. I felt like they weren't super welcoming, and the boss, like the owner of the place, like, he made me extremely uncomfortable because he was just super he was just unprofessional. He was super unprofessional, and I didn't like that. Like, I understand, like, you know, when you see a beautiful woman, you might want to approach them, you might want to talk to them, but if you just hired me to work at your pizza joint, like, don't throw no advances or nothing like that at me, because it makes me uncomfortable because you're my boss, right? So that will probably have to take the cake for the worst job ever, because I was just uncomfortable. The boss was just super and I didn't like that. So Best piece of advice you've ever given or taken. Don't be afraid to start over. Don't be afraid to start off fresh. Don't be afraid to grow. Like, every time I feel like I've made the hardest decisions in my life, they turned out to be the best decisions in my life. Like, decisions I could have ever made. Like, once I moved from a spot, I really move. Like, I move and I stay at my next place for a couple years. Like, you know what I mean? And every time I've moved to a new place or a different city or state, I've flourished. Like, it's crazy when you change your surroundings and you change, you know, the people you're around or your scenery, and it's different. And I love it. I'm open to change. You should be open to change too. I will tell you, some of the hardest decisions you will have to make in life will be probably the best decisions you make in life. So just hold that with you. And, you know, I got another one for you too. Anything is possible. All you have to do is believe in yourself. Nobody's going to believe in you how you believe in you. So believe in self and you can do it. Honestly, the reason why I named my channel DoIttMiaaaa is because I wanted to name it something to encourage me to post. I wanted to name it something to encourage me to do content and to not be afraid. Because I've been wanting to do YouTube for years, like years. But I've always been nervous. I've always been like, oh no, what are people gonna think? What if they judge me? What are they gonna say? Da, 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 da. It was always those things in my mind until like I just got the courage one day, like, Mia, do it. And actually, I'm not gonna lie, it's another YouTuber. He is so awesome, I'm not gonna lie. I took the name from him and everything, but another YouTuber, I had told him, I was like, I think I'm getting ready to post a video or something like that. And he was like, do it, Mia. I said, let's change this channel name because that's me right there. Do it, Mia. And I changed my channel name, and ever since then, like, this channel has been going up, you guys, and I'm so happy at the growth. Like, you know what I mean? It's kind of cool. Okay. Worst style choice you ever made. Most embarrassing style most embarrassing style trend you rocked. These questions is hard. Oh my God. Worst style choice I ever made. I don't know. Can I just insert a picture or something? Like, I might just insert a picture right here for worst style choice I ever made. Most embarrassing style trend I rocked. Man, okay, this is gonna take me back. Okay, so back when I was like in junior high, we used to put rubber bands at the bottom of our pants and like scrunch them up and fluff them out a little bit. That was probably the most embarrassing, because like now it's embarrassing when I think about it, but back then it was cool. Like, I was on, everybody did it, so I did it too. But yeah, now it's like embarrassing. Like, Mia, what was you doing? I wish I could find some pictures of me wearing my pants like that, because I used to be on it, and a lot of y'all used to be on it too. Don't try to cap now. I remember. One myth you believed in really hard as a kid. This is easy. I was told, I got two things I could tell y'all because these is crazy. The first thing is I was told whenever I had the hiccups that I was growing. So every time I got the hiccups, I would not drink water. I would not drink nothing. Like, I just wanted to have the hiccups because I was like, you know what? I'm getting taller. So why do I, you know what I'm saying? Why do I not want to have the hiccups? I can't believe I was played like that. Like, that's crazy. I got two more actually. Okay, another one. When I was a kid, I grew up on like I like to call it a farm. It wasn't really a big, huge farm, but we had chickens, goats, and roosters, and you know, stuff like that. And you know, I used to name my goats. I had a goat named Nanny, and I loved her. Like, that was my baby, you know what I mean? And one day Nanny was just gone, and I didn't know where she was, and I don't even know what they told me. I think they told me she passed away or they sold her or something like that. This was when I was a kid. But now that I'm an adult, I asked about Nanny. You guys, we killed Nanny and ate her. I was eating goat. We was raising the goats to kill them and eat them. That's crazy, right? Like, and I didn't find this out until like 5 years ago. Like 5 years ago. And it was crazy. My jaw just kind of dropped, like, whoa, no way. Another thing that I was told, which is, I shouldn't even believe this one, like, I'm gonna be honest, but somebody told me that when the sun is going down, I remember who told me this too. It's crazy. I should call them out, but I'm not gonna do that. They told me when the sun is going down that God is beating his wife. And I believed it. Like, that's crazy, right? And then they said when it's raining outside, God is crying. And I believed it. You guys, I don't believe it now. I know it's not true, but that's what I was told as a kid. And y'all know y'all wrong for that. Y'all know kids is real impressionable. And yeah, I took all that stuff and ran with it. Still remember it to this day. Okay. So now next. If a zombie apocalypse happened tomorrow, which 3 people you taking and why? That's easy. I'm taking my 3 kids. That's why. I know it probably won't be no help to me or no assistance, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna take my 3 kids with me. I'm gonna take Kimora, Kimaya, and Princess. Those is my 3, and that's what I'm sticking to. What else? Fave meal of the day. I love spaghetti with a little bit of fried chicken and a little salad on the side. Like that. That's a fire meal for me. Like, fire. When's my birthday? I love questions like this. No, I'm just playing. But I was born on Valentine's Day, you guys. I was born on February 14th. So I am a Valentine's baby. And I like to think that I was born on that day for a reason, because I'm really a sweetheart. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I body Valentine. Like, that's me. Like, I'm just a sweetheart. I'm super outgoing. I'm a people's person. Super funny. I like to think so. People say I'm not funny, but I like to think so. So anyway, but yeah, that's my birthday. My sign is Aquarius. What was my first car? Dude, my first car was a Kia. Was it a Kia Optima? I don't know. It was a Kia. My first car was a Kia. It was a white one. I literally bought that Kia for my cousin for $500 because the transmission was blown. Everybody was like, don't buy it, don't do it, da, 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 da. But I was so anxious and eager to have a car and buy one. I bought a car that didn't work. And what I did, I put it in the shop and I had to pay $1,500 to get that transmission fixed. But once that transmission got fixed, ooh, baby was up and rolling, and she was rolling for a good couple of years until I had to retire her. But yeah, my first car was a little white Kia. What's my favorite time of the day? My favorite time of the day is morning, because every morning I work out, and working out is kind of therapeutic for me. I enjoy working out. It gives me energy for my day. So I would have to say my favorite time of the day is morning. And you know, that's just the start of the day, so of course. Next question. How many kids do you plan on having? Easy! 3. Ooh, that's 2. 3. I got my 3. If I have more kids, I will definitely be married, and I will be having more kids for my husband. But if it ain't no ring on this finger, baby, we ain't having no more kids over here. I'm sorry. I got my 3 and that's it. Next question. What's your dream job? Did I already answer that question? I feel like I kind of answered that question already. My My dream job is to work for myself. I would like to work for myself. I would like to open a business. I don't know what type of business. I don't know if it'll be skincare, hair care, lips, or I don't know, but I would like to open some type of business. And someday I would like to become a well-known name, a big influencer. Right now we're just building credibility with this channel, and I hope to grow this channel in order for me to branch off into other things. So that's why I do YouTube, and I actually enjoy it a lot. So yeah. I'm gonna do one more question, you guys. I feel like this list is long, but I'm gonna do one more. It's 4 questions to choose from. I don't know which one. What famous person did you meet? How, where, and what made that experience stick with you? Oh, I'm so happy this question was asked. Okay, because I met Big Sean, right? I wanted to do a story time on this. I might actually still do a story time, but I'm gonna just tell y'all real quick. So I met Big Sean. The day I met him, I wasn't even supposed to meet him. I wasn't supposed to be there. I just kind of happened to be along with the people who were all going to go see him, and they didn't want to leave me out, so they took me. And I went, and I looked crazy, like I was busted crazy. I'm gonna insert some pictures right here. I look like a fool for real. But so I went, and as soon as I went inside to meet with Big Sean, everybody was taking pictures with him and stuff like that. And I was standing there. I was like, I'm not about to take a picture with him. Because I look too crazy. Like, I'm not about to take no picture with Big Sean. I refuse to take a Big Sean picture. Like, I refuse. And Big Sean, like, he's humble. Like, he's so humble. He's so sweet. He was like, you about to take a picture? He was like, come over here and take a picture. I was like, no, I'm not. He was like, get over here and take a picture. He was like, you look good. Come take a picture. And just him encouraging me to come take the picture, I was like, oh my God, like I gotta take the picture. He telling me I gotta take it. So I'm glad he encouraged me to take it, because I ended up taking it. Even though I look crazy in those pictures, I'm so happy that I got to do that and just kind of experience that. It was pretty interesting, and I just wanted to like say again, Big Sean, he's just a super humble human. Like, he's super humble. I didn't expect him to be so nice and so sweet about it, but he was very, very sweet. Big Sean, if you see this, can we get a picture retake? Because that picture is not giving. Like, it's not giving what it's supposed to give, and I could do so much more better. Like, if I knew you was coming to my city that day, I would have been ready, but I wasn't ready because I didn't know. But yeah. Okay, so that's the last and final question, you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video, and I hope it was a good filler video, like to get a better idea of who Miaaaa is and what Miaaaa likes and stuff like that. If you guys have any more video suggestions, please leave them down in the comments. This is the road to 500 subscribers, okay? Like, we are on our way. We're so close, you guys. I could taste it. If you guys did enjoy today's video, definitely hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.